are going to harvest some clove beans today. Clove bean is one of the easiest warm season vegetables that you can grow. If you plant clove bean once, then you don't have to plant it again because the mature pods can drop seeds onto the ground. Those seeds can sprout and grow into new plants the following year. It's an easy and rewarding vegetable to grow in your garden. These are the seeds of clove bean. This year I did not plant any clove bean. You see, this one was growing as a volunteer plant. You see here, so I just gave it a support, and then it is growing and sharing the trellis with the tindora. You can see they grow fruits from the bottom, even from the bottom of the plant. You see, this clove bean has a purple flowers. They usually bloom in the afternoon. This is called clove bean because it has the shape of a clove. You know the spice clove? It has the shape of the clove, that's why. This is clove, the spice. See, this looks like, or clove bean looks like the spice clove. That's why it is called clove bean. This has so many medicinal benefits and nutritious benefits. It's rich in fiber, antioxidants. Very tasty if you make curry when it is really young. It has a white sap which is very sticky. That's why I'm wearing the gloves. In Malayalam it is called Nitya Vazhudana because it gives fruits every day or throughout the year. That's why it is called Nitya Vazhudana. This clove bean is sharing the trellis with the tindora and a pole bean. They are really delicious when harvested at the tender stage. They are perfect for cooking or stir frying, and they have a wonderful taste and texture. The clove bean flowers bloom in the evening. Now it is 6 o'clock in the evening. You can see all these flowers. I'm going to save this for seed. I slice them like this. I'm going to make a stir fry with some sliced coconut. This plant does not need any special care. You just have to plant it in a sunny spot.